Ask most Americans how much they need to retire, and you'll get one of two answers. I don't know. Or $1,000,000. Both answers are wrong, and one of them is costing people their financial future. The real answer is not a number, it's a formula. And once you understand it, everything about how you save changes. The $1,000,000 myth has been around for decades. It sounds impressive. It feels like a goal worth chasing. And for a lot of people, it's completely wrong. Here's the problem. $1,000,000 is not a retirement plan. It's a number with no context. If you retire at 55 and live to 90, that million needs to last 35 years, with inflation eating away at it every year. That's $28,500 per year before taxes and healthcare. You cannot live on that in most American cities. But if you retire at 67 with $600,000 and Social Security pays you $1,800 per month, you might be completely fine. The number alone means nothing. What matters is the income it generates every single month. Here's the formula that actually works. It's called the 4% rule. The 4% rule says, in retirement, you can safely withdraw 4% of your savings per year without running out of money over a 30-year retirement. So if you have $500,000 saved, you can withdraw $20,000 per year. That's $1,667 per month from your savings. If you have $750,000, that's $30,000 per year. $2,500 per month. If you have $1 million, that's $40,000 per year. $3,333 per month. Now add Social Security. The average American receives about $1,700 per month from Social Security at full retirement age. Suddenly $500,000 in savings plus $1,700 in Social Security gives you $3,367 per month. For many Americans, that is enough. So the real question is not, do I have $1,000,000? The real question is, how much monthly income do I need? And how do I get there? Let's make this concrete with 3 real scenarios. Profile 1. Maria, 65, lives modestly, rents a small apartment, no big travel plans, needs about $3,000 per month to live comfortably. Social Security, $1,600. She needs $1,400 per month from savings. Using the 4% rule, she needs approximately $420,000 saved. That's her number, not a million. $420,000. Profile 2. David, 65, owns his home, mortgage paid off, wants to travel twice a year, dine out regularly, needs about $4,500 per month. Social Security, $1,800. He needs $2,700 per month from savings. Using the 4% rule, he needs approximately $810,000 saved, close to $1 million, but for a specific reason, not just because $1 million sounds right. Profile 3. Karen, 62, retiring early, no Social Security yet, has to wait until 67, needs $5,000 per month for 5 years until Social Security kicks in, then $3,800 after. She needs approximately $1,100,000. Early retirement is expensive, not because of lifestyle, but because of the gap years before Social Security. 3 people, 3 completely different numbers, all of them calculated, not guessed. Here's the uncomfortable reality. The median retirement savings for Americans aged 55 to 64 is approximately $185,000, not $500,000, not $1 million, $185,000. For most people, that generates about $7,400 per year using the 4% rule, about $617 per month from savings. Add Social Security, and many Americans are looking at $2,300 to $2,500 per month in total retirement income. That is survivable, but it is not comfortable, and it leaves almost no room for healthcare emergencies, home repairs, or helping family. The gap between where most Americans are and where they need to be is real, and the only way to close it is to know your number and start moving toward it with a plan. Here's how to find your number in 3 steps. Step 1. Estimate your monthly retirement expenses, not what you spend now, what you'll need then. Mortgage gone, kids grown, be realistic. Most people need 70% to 80% of their current income. Step 2. Check your Social Security estimate. Go to ssa.gov, create a free account, see exactly what your monthly benefit will be at 62, 67, and 70. Step 3. Subtract your Social Security from your monthly need. Multiply the remainder by 12. Then divide by 0.04. That is your number. If you need $4,000 per month and Social Security covers $1,800, you need $2,200 per month from savings. Times 12 is $26,400. Divided by 0.04 is $660,000. $660,000. That is your specific personal retirement number. Now, are you on track to reach it? And if not, what changes? That is the conversation worth having. And that is what Finn is here for. Here's what I want you to do right now. Not next week, right now. Take 3 minutes. Estimate your monthly retirement expenses. Check ssa.gov for your Social Security estimate. Run the formula. Find your number. Because a goal you can't see is a goal you can't reach. And the people who retire comfortably are not the ones who save the most. They're the ones who knew their target and aimed at it consistently. Write your number in the comments. I read every single one. And share this with someone who's been guessing at $1 million without knowing if that's right for them. I'm Finn, and this is what money is really about. Next week, she's 41, a hairstylist, self-employed, no pension, no 401k, $0 saved. Where does she even start? Subscribe so you don't miss it.